Greetings, Dennis Daniels here. I would like to share with you Ipython. You'll definitely want to check out the 3-hour tutorial here, but I've installed it and I'm running it, and it's right here, sorry. And one of the things that really makes a big difference is that it behaves very much like a bash shell, but it has and includes history, but it's also running Python, and it runs it quite nicely, so much so that I really will spend a lot more time with Ipython because it's got a lot of history tools and interactive tools that make this quite a dynamic development environment, including the ability to program or to share a coding environment with someone remotely online. And I wanted to show you that, but when I try, I think this guy is running an older version of Ipython. Oh no, he's using 13. Alright, but when I type, let's get this out of the way, I'll make it bigger. When I type Ipython, oh, his actually, yeah, Ipython, it doesn't return anything. Well, it actually allows me to play or access my current directory, which is amazing. Let me go ahead and show you that actually, since we're here. I'm going to export this notebook, and I'm going to, using my bash or my Linux interface, I'm going to use tab completion, and I call this a.py, and now I can edit that, which is not going to be interesting at all because it's just my history. But if I type gedit, right, I have to go to the directory, home, Dennis, desktop, and now if I hit tab completion, there it is. And what did I call it? I called it a.py, right? Right? Nope. Look at that. I can get into all my files. That's just so cool. I didn't save it. Where did I save it? You know how I know where I saved it? I type history, and it's a.py. So let's try it again. Gedit, home, Dennis, desktop, a.py. Oh, it's not gedit. Duh. It's edit. Home, Dennis, desktop, a.py. There it is. There's not a whole lot there because I didn't export the history. So if I wanted to do that, let's get out of this. Escape. Quit. Bang. Much like VI. Let's take a look at the history again. And the command I'm looking for is, right there, notebook E. I need to export it, which I didn't do. So I type that, modulo, and then notebook, and now -E, and now the directory, home, Dennis, desktop, a.py. And now I can edit that, which is not going to be very interesting, but just to show you how easy it is to export history. Home, Dennis, desktop, a.py, and there is all of the history that I have used since I started Ipython in this instance. So there's lots to learn here. This is an amazing user interface, and I'm very excited to get a chance to take a look at it. Again, definitely need to brush up on my VI because it's escape, quit, bang, and now I'm out. So take a look at Ipython, and good luck and happy computing.